Welcome back to another Dashcam Lessons video. Don't forget to send your clips in if you want to get featured. Stay safe.
It's Jerry. Here we are 3 months in. I've got a mask printed up with a picture of him and his friend in blackface and a KKK mask, and I said, fine. Starting Friday, we all have to wear masks in Virginia. I said, I'll reluctantly wear it, but only if it's got a picture of God blackface on the mask. So look at my Twitter.
As the Black Lives gaining traction in the wake of the George Floyd murder, Quan McLaurin felt that it was important to post a message of support from Liberty University's social media channels.
Driving over my work site over the fucking speed limit, Chief. Why are you driving over my?
I'm not driving over the speed limit. I'm
So
doing
why were
55.
you- why
My
were you
dash
flipping-
cam will reflect I was doing 55. You got
Wait,
to? Are
what?
you a cop? Are you a cop?
What is your problem, dude?
Are you a cop?
What is your problem?
I don't have a problem.
Okay, so it's 55 in the work zone.
I was
while
doing
workers-
55.
So why did you put your lights on, man? Why did you tell me
But
to f
your
off?
bright ass lights were blinding me.
This is my job site.
You're not a
I'm
cop.
recording this job site right now to make
I'm
sure that all
recording
my-
this
That's
conversation.
fantastic. I'll tell you what, I got your license plate number. I'm going to go ahead and report you to the sheriff in frickin' Glasscock County.
To the sheriff.
Yeah, this is the
Go
sheriff's
ahead.
project. Okay.
Is he going to issue me a citation by proxy?
No, but he'll frickin' look out for you, brother.
Is that right?
That's right.
Excellent.
Would you like my card?
You making threats? Yeah,
Would you
give
like
me
my
your card, son.
Manual recording will now start.
Moron. What the f?
Go.
Okay, shit's supposed to turn over. Yep, I thought so too.
Turn left.
Turn left on here? Yep.
Still don't like great pizza. Yeah, it's fucking fish tailing. Idiot. it going.
God damn it.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.